upside down and in front of the display. So I'll do another lamp test really quick. Verb 16 is display 3 decimal numbers once a second. Noun 65 is our current elapsed mission time. So this is showing hours, minutes, and centiseconds. Remember the implied decimal point there. Let's see what else is interesting. Verb 34 stops the running display. Verb 91 is a means of checking the validity of the software. This adds up all the words in the bank and shows you the sum, so you can verify that, in fact, there are no errors in your software. You can just proceed through each bank. So we're looking at bank 4 now, bank 5. But the really interesting thing is we can go through the initial landing sequence for Apollo 11. We have a very highly detailed simulator of the Apollo spacecraft that runs emulators of the Apollo guidance computer. And we extracted the RAM state from one of those flights. And I have just now injected that state into my FPGA. So if I do a verb 16, noun 65, to look at our mission time, we're now 102 hours, 34 minutes, and 15 seconds into flight. This is right before the landing burn starts. Powered descent initiation, PDI is what that's called.